Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kumar and this is my first month of reflection of AI Assistant Full Stack Web Development Internship. Over the past 4 weeks, I have been working on a project called AutoWorlds, which is a second-hand car selling platform. And the purpose of this application is to help user easily search, explore, and manage second-hand listed cars through a modern web application. When I started this internship, I had experience with Java and Spring Boot, but this was my opportunity to strengthen my front-end skill using React and build a complete full stack application from scratch. So in first week, I focused on understanding the project requirements and planning the application. I set up my development environments, created the project structure, initialized the GitHub web repositories, and planned how different pages and features would work together. This planning stage helped me build a project in a more organized and a structured way. Week 2. So during the second week, I start developing the front end using React.js. I build the main screen of the application, including home page, login page, dashboard, my car listing page, car details, and the AI recommendation page. At this stage, the application was using mock datas, but I successfully designed the overall user experience and navigation. Then I move towards the third week. So in this week, I improved the UI and the user experience. I created reusable components such as button, input fields, loaders, uh, toast notification, model components. I also implemented a dark mode, light mode version of the application, made the application fully responsive from mobile, tablet, desktop device, and design a low fidelity wireframe in Figma before continuing development. So this week taught me the importance of reusable components and responsive design in real world application. So this is about my week 3. So then I move towards the fourth week. So in this week, I was focusing on backend development. I built the backend using Node.js and Express.js and created REST APIs for the car management system. I implemented all the CRUD operations, including get all cars, get single car, search cars, add new cars, update cars, delete cars. So I tested every API using Postman, connected front end with the back end, and replace the mock data with the live API responses. So this make my application a complete full stack project instead of just a front end prototype. So in this 4 week, the biggest challenges I have faced is one of the biggest technical challenge I faced was connecting the front end and the back end correctly. Initially, I encountered several issues such as several port conflicts, incorrect API routes, and problems while making API requests from the front end. Instead of giving up, I started debugging step by step. Uh, I checked the server logs, verify every API using Postman. Uh, then the network tabs in Chrome, developer tools, and fix issues one by one. So this experience taught me how to troubleshoot real world problem and gave me a much better understanding of REST API, uh, HTTP status code, backend debugging, and front-end backend communication. So what I have achieved so far, so after completion of first 4 week, I have successfully achieved uh, following things such as build a complete React front-end application, design responsive UI with dark and light mode. So create a reusable UI components, design wireframes using Figma, build a backend using Express.js, uh, developed and tested REST APIs with Postman. So connected the front end with the backend using live API calls, learn Git and GitHub workflow for version control, improve my debugging and problem solving skills. Uh, Overall, I now feel much more confident in developing full stack web development. So during this stage, I took help of AI tools where I stuck in the problem. So I do take help of them. So we are talking about what are my next goal. So my goal for the next 4 to 5 weeks looking ahead, my main focus is to mark the project even more productive, production ready. So in the upcoming weeks, I plan to integrate MongoDB Atlas. I have never used that, but I will learn as application database. So replacing the memory storage with the persistent database storage, perform complete CRUD operation directly on MongoDB. I will implement the user authentication and authorization there. Uh, Add AI-powered features and recommendation and improve many more. By the end of this internship, my goal is to build a fully functional production-ready full-stack application that follows the industry's standards and also strengthens my skill as a full-stack developer. Overall, this is my first one. This has been an amazing learning experience. So I have learned many new technologies, solved several real-world problems, and gained much more confident in building complete web application from scratch. I am excited to continue learn, improving my skills, completing the remaining weeks of this internship. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.